Somolo latestly any three the Toronto ki the Dundas-town bloor ki young and bloor ki sacha la Toronto nangula any tumbling ki lumba kasakani any mimang pushikla any chamarawa ki kange chuwa odi mutine the kange chuta tishmare chesani Toronto la Canada ki nangula any sacha mangbushikla any mimang buchikla ikcha chasa rayo mare chesani kunzu ikcha di mi shemba tan chisu che ikcha samala te bu ye sine ani da de la shungi ani shungla da ngogo ki number iche da de legu di pe the patient bare sha ji sai ni da de la nganzo beba ikcha marangi mangbo chi de le de bu chesa ngaya de la kunzo ki kapyo chunje che do ani da de la ani kaza nganzo ki da lagar ni mol lagar ki kapsu du to seda chi che so chesa ni nganzo de la le de ye Adela inji dani mirik ta mida ki ani longba khasaka ni mi mong shuji somsha ai nge nam chula ni muti ni kingi to chego wa
A message, so we need you to have those placards up and proud, right? Let's see those in the air. All right. When do we want it? What do we want? When do we want it? What do we want?
I myself is a care worker and an organizer with Migrant Workers Alliance for Change, which is a member of Migrant Rights Ontario, Migrant Rights Network Ontario. I know many of you are here struggling. I've been in your shoes, you know. I haven't seen my kids for almost 8 years now. It's not only me. There's a lot. There's thousands of us, right? I had to show that I have high levels of education just to apply for permanent residence. This is so unfair. There's a lot of us. Shame! I work with a lot of migrant care workers who are all either waiting for their decisions or who have lost their status because of this unfair system. And unity with our indigenous community, our migrant workers community, our Black Lives communities, immigrants, refugees, migrant international students, our allies, our friends from all across the country, standing together to fight for justice and equality. We are fighting for permanent resident status.
An incredible turnout today, fighting for status on this day. And it's so important that we're here today because the government needs to hear us loud and clear. My name is Dina and I'm with the Workers Action Center. At the Workers Action Center, we support migrants and undocumented workers who are dealing with wage theft, exploitation and discrimination. Employers know that they can pay people below minimum wage or not even pay them at all. Shame. And that's just because people have precarious immigration status and they know that they can use them, abuse them, and threaten them with deportation or with the cops if they ask just for their wages. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. When Parliament returns tomorrow, we want the Cabinet to immediately create and announce. Let's get it done. 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 Woohoo! We want that promise kept. I don't know about you, but I'm sick of broken promises. We want him to keep his promise. We want Justin Trudeau to make sure that we have status for everyone. My name is a worker at the
Thank you.
Helpless and vulnerable. We live in fear, unable to perform even routine tasks like buying groceries. We anxiously respond
to all undocumented and all migrant workers.
Climate crisis, but the last to get the support to survive. It is
I'm a fan of Daniel Brown. So I always want to use this, you know. Can somebody give me yeah? Can you give me a yeah? Can you give me a yeah? Yes! What do we need? When do we need it? What do we need? When do we need it? Yeah! When do we need it?
Joey, you ready? Are you ready to march? Are you ready to march? Let's get it done. 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 Trudeau, let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Okay, say it loud. Say it clear. Migrant workers are welcome here. Say it loud. Say it clear. We want
for all! When do we want it? Now, even more! Status! Status! We want status! Justice! We want justice! We are here in the center of this city!
Hello. We are humans, treat us like people. Sometimes employer doesn't care how we feel. They just care about the harvest. And status for all now!
Is it okay? Living as an international student, I can say with personal experience that the pressure of making enough money while studying full-time to survive in the skyrocketing prices of the city is immensely hard to deal with.
And this is really important because you know what? It's really important that we make the links with our communities. The migrant worker movement has been building strength.
And I am here in solidarity on their behalf. We are Canada's largest worker organization and we support migrant workers.
We are stronger together. Our workers united will never be defeated. Workers united will never be defeated.
So when this government isn't listening, we will keep going. Even more and more with more people, more pressure, because united we will make this change.
I believe we're gonna win this fight and we're gonna keep fighting until we win full permanent stations. What do we want?
I had to wait another year each time to reapply, and now I am left here waiting for a decision. The struggle and stress just to apply for permanent residency is too much. Education and English test requirements, and while waiting, many of us...
Thank you everyone. Let me show of hands who here is a tenant, who pays rent to make a living. This is why your fight is our fight as well. When they tell you that migrants are creating the housing crisis, let's call out that bullshit. Because it is bullshit. And I can tell you from our own experience in your Southwestern.
That's right. And at the municipal level, it's so important that we're here because every day people aren't able to access basic services. People are shut out from the protections that the state has to offer. And that has to include migrants in Toronto. Is that right? The City Council called for regularization. Again in 2021, they called for regularization.